Let's take a look at a multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following best describe the purpose of continuous professional education or CPE? Well, is it A, to maintain accounting license only once every 5 years? So think about this. Do you have to do continuous education once every 5 years? Is that a good thing? I would say not. It should be performed more often. How often? Depending on the situation. Technology is changing a lot. For example, if you want to learn about AI, AI is continuously changing. So A is out. B, to ensure accountant remain knowledgeable about current laws and standard. Do you think that's the purpose of CPE? I would say it's better than A for sure. You want to make sure that you remain knowledgeable about current laws and standard. I will keep B. It sounds good, but let's look at C and D. To replace professional certification exam. Do CPEs replace professional certification exam like the CMA? No. After you obtain the CMA, you need to keep your knowledge up to date because this is what continuing or continuous professional education. I will eliminate C. So I'm keeping B so far. To eliminate the need for work experience. No. Work experience is the best thing. I mean, you can read as many books, read as many journals, but CPE would not eliminate work experience. So by process of elimination, we will go back and say that B is the best answer, to remain knowledgeable about current laws, regulations, standard, and technology. Now, if you are looking at this multiple choice on Farhat Lectures, you could ask AI if you want to learn more about how the CPE relate to the competency standard. It will explain the topic for you, explain the incorrect answers as well, and best is to create another MCQ if you didn't get this question right. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, multiple choice, exercises, AI tools. The best investment you can make as a CMA is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.